Can you show us your Wirecast screen, or am I putting you on the spot?
No.
So guys, check that out. Just walk us through a little bit. You got your program window, you
Right.
got your source window, walk us through what we're seeing right there.
Well, let's go ahead and add a few things. So on a basic setup, logos, lower thirds, and then my camera sources if I
Oh,
wanted to
nice. The
add
plug
audio.
for the show. Love it.
Hey! So it's very visually easy to navigate. And if you're comparing to other programs, this is where Wirecast would shine. Visually, as I'm streaming, I can glance up and be like, hey, I need to remove that logo right quick. Let's go ahead and just send that live. Hey, we're done with the lower thirds. Let's clear that layer. So when you are the producer, that's the beauty of it. Is it's literally, we're based off thumbnails here. I can see that, you can have the name or the visual, the layout simplified, paired with the X keys. Your job is so smooth. You're basically following, the guests, the talent, and just kind of switching beautifully between them. It's the ease of use is through the roof.
It
They've done a
becomes
great
second
job.
nature, right? It just becomes so easy. And the beauty is if you want to add more stuff, you can, but the stuff you want to do, basic switching, is right there, right on top, super easy to do, map shortcuts with the X keys. You're just talking about a complete solution here, folks, that not only is a great value, but you can get up and running really quickly. Now, I always say this about live streaming, and I think you'll agree with me on this. When you start live streaming, your fourth show is when you're really going to get the hang of this, because as much practice as you do, till you go live and your heartbeat starts racing and your talent knows they're live and everyone starts worrying about stuff, it's not the same. So the first show, gonna be just breathe and get through it. Your second show, you think you learned some stuff and some new stuff pops off. The third show, you have a setback. And then the fourth show, you really get it right. Now you're really comfortable, and now you can start adding stuff. And once again, when you add something new, be prepared for that same learning curve, folks, but there's no substitute for doing. You just can't make up with practice from actually executing and doing live shows. So if you want to get into live streaming, the most important thing I can tell you is start live streaming. The sooner you start, the sooner you can get better at it.